Hey, my name is Kapandi and I'm so happy to meet you. Did you know that rose is one of the prettiest flowers on earth? I bet you wanna learn how to draw a rose easily. So let's begin. I'm drawing a sparrow. Are you drawing one with me? Yes. Draw a big sparrow and take your time. Wasn't that easy peasy? Okay, let's draw some leaves. Let me give you a pro tip. If you are doing this for the first time, you can draw the leaves outline with a pencil, and when you are happy with it, you can simply draw with a green marker pen on top of the pencil drawing. We call it tracing. I have used a green marker pen for drawing the leaves. Wow! These rows look fabulous. And yes, wasn't it easy? Now, don't you want to see some more ways of drawing a rose? We will look at 4 ways of drawing the rose today. Now, isn't that something? Let's look at the second way to draw a rose. By the way, did you forget to subscribe to my channel? Let's do that now so you will be the first to know when I publish more fun videos for drawing. We will draw a sparrow. Not one, but 3 sparrows this time. Depending on the size of your paper or the flower you want, you can adjust the size of these sparrows. Quiz time. Which animal has sparrows? Ah, a snail. Did you know our galaxy is a spiral too? Or have you ever eaten a spiral spaghetti? Nom 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 nom. What else do you think is a spiral? Let me know in the comments. You can use white color pencil or glitter to decorate your flower so it looks even better. Let's look at the third way to draw the rose. Are you still with me? I am flattered. Make a very small sparrow in the middle and then lots of wavy lines around it. And when I say lots, I mean lots. I told you before, it's simple. Here's a pro tip for you. Try to keep the wavy lines with a circular profile. Ziggity ziggity zag zag ziggity ziggity zag. Make zigzag patterns to draw the leaves. The fourth rose drawing is way too easy. Draw a big spiral with wavy lines, then draw some lines in the middle of spirals. Draw 2 leaves on each side, and we are done. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm using my hand but thinking of you. Quiz time. Did you know that all roses start as rosebuds? I bet you want to learn how to draw the rosebuds too. The link to the video on the rosebuds is up there right now. Well, hope you had fun time drawing those roses with me. So long. I will see you in the next video. And we are gonna have so much fun drawing together. Till then, have lots of fun and keep drawing. Sayonara.